What's good, y'all? So today I'm going to show you how to use the voiceover feature in TikTok. Let's get it. So I actually got this comment on my last video on how to use TikTok Studio. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and click the card and we'll bring you there. But you know, you can watch this one first to the end and then go to the card. It'll also be the first link in the description. All right, so we're getting right into it. I'm just gonna assume that you already have your TikTok video recorded and now you just wanna do a voiceover. So here's my video, you know, just basically showing you what's going on and all that good stuff. So on the right-hand side where you see like text, stickers, effects, all of that, click this down arrow underneath privacy settings, scroll down and you'll see voiceover. So once you click on voiceover, it's gonna bring up this little section, and now where you want to talk is where you'll basically press. So say I just want to go through the whole video, tap record. So today I'm just showing you my setup for YouTube, and yeah. Then when you hit stop, it'll stop and it will show you. So then if you want to play the video and you're like, oh, I actually want to talk here, you know, you can let it play, hit pause, record again, and then here we are doing another voiceover. Yeah, and we're gonna stop here. It's gonna stop. Yeah, I don't know. So then if we listen to it, so today I'm just showing you my setup for YouTube, and yeah. No talking. Record again, and then here we are doing another voiceover. Yeah, and we're gonna stop here. It's gonna stop. And then once you hit save, it's on there, and that's pretty much how you do the voiceover. Then you can add effects and all that other stuff. But mind you, with the voiceover, you can't have multiple, like you can't record multiple things over that voiceover. So if you hit voiceover, can't record over previous voiceover. So you only have that section where we weren't talking is where you can record more talking, if that makes sense. You just can't record multiple things. But yeah, so just quick video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how to do a voiceover on TikTok. Also, y'all, if you like videos like this, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, comment below what you want to see next or any other questions, and also subscribe. Helps out. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.
Love is love. Love is love. Love is love. Love is love. Adios.